If you're traveling abroad and you want to go on a road trip or even get behind the wheel just to explore places, you need to have a valid Canadian driving license, and along with that you need to have international driving permit, which is a document. When you accompany that along with your driving license, it will enable you to drive vehicle for leisure purpose, and many of the foreign country accept this. You can see, if you have a provincial or territorial driving license, you don't need this IDP to drive in US. So I traveled from Canada to US, and I could drive without the IDP. So most of you would be aware of this, just a general information. And if you have this driving license and you have applied for IDP, you see this is the convention on the road traffic and the countries who have signed and accepts IDP. So let me show you this link. This is the United Nations Treaty Collection. All the countries who are signatories, their names are there. So I am from India, and if I am traveling to India, I just need my Canadian driving license and IDP, and I can drive in India for a period of 1 year from the date of issue. So this is the cap with IDP. It's valid for 1 year from the date of issue. If you're driving outside Canada with your own vehicle, in that case, you need CPD, and you can get this here. Now you can see CPD is a custom document to bring your vehicle to another country for a period up to 1 year. So with CPD, you do not have to pay custom deposits because it guarantees that duties and import taxes will be paid if your vehicle is still in country after your CPD expires. So I'll leave the link in the description for you to go and check in detail. Only agency which is authorized is CAA to issue this IDP in Canada, and this is under a UN approved mandate. So this is the website. The link will be there in the description, and here the IDP fee vary from province to province. So once you get to the page, you will get to know how much you will be paying. If you are going in person, it takes less than an hour. If you are looking for a mail service, then it might take longer, but you can take an in-person appointment and get this done quickly. Now, to obtain the IDP, you can come here. Click here on find location. See here, phishing alert. If you receive email or text message offering free roadside safety kit, do not click any link or provide your personal information. This was not sent by CAA. Now, once we come down at bottom, you see find CAA store, enter city, postal code or address. I'm just entering my city, Mississauga, and here I'm selecting this and doing a search. Then here you can select the radius. I've selected 10 kilometer, and when I do the search, you see here this address is given with the phone number. So this is the place where I can go and fill this application and get this IDP. So everything is given, including address, timing, contact information. So there is no guesswork. Once you have identified the address where you need to go, you need not fill this application if you're going in person, and that is the best you can do, because the very moment you go to the address location, you will be issued on spot the permit if you're making a personal visit. Within few minutes, you will get your document in hand by paying $31, which includes taxes. Now, in addition, you also need to carry 2 passport photo, which has to be clicked within 6 months. It has to be clear, professional, and have a solid white background. If you are not sure, you have an option to get the photo done at the CA location. So if you're a non-member, you will pay $19.95, which excludes the taxes. And for everyday and basic, the charges are $8.95 plus taxes. And if you are a premier CA customer, then you get this photo done for complimentary. Once you have your valid Canadian driving license, you walk into the store, you have your photo, pay the fee, that's $31. If you are in any of these locations, then you will be given the IDP, and you will walk out of store with an IDP which is valid for 1 year. That's how it is done. Same goes for other location also. You just find the address, walk in and get it. In case you're not able to make a physical visit, in that case you will have to download these forms. Best is to do a walk-in and get it immediately, because you may make mistake while filling the form and it's a hassle which you want to avoid. Just do a walk-in to the store and get it immediately, and have a peace of mind when you're traveling abroad to drive on that country road. This is the application form. So you can see here there is a fee of $31 plus shipping charges. For these locations, this is the form. Again, the charges are $31 plus shipping charges. And for Quebec, this is the form. You can see it's a 2-page document. Why do you want to fill this application and send it by postal and incur that extra charge? Instead, just making a personal visit will solve everything. So friends, I hope you find this video informative. Please do let me know through your comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Canada Tried and Tested. Thank you.